You'll receive an email from your professor inviting you to a Zoom conference. Open that email. You'll see a link in the body of the email. When it's time for your conference, click that link to join. It'll launch Zoom. You have the option to download and run Zoom or to participate using your browser. I'm going to open Zoom meetings, but I do have it downloaded onto this device. You may see this message. It says, please wait for the host to start this meeting. If you're there a little bit early, she'll probably be in another meeting, but she will start it at your meeting time. So this is what you will see as she joins. Once she's in there, she'll let you in. You'll see this message, so that tells me that she's almost there. She's going to admit me. You need to mute or unmute your microphone down here in the bottom left-hand corner. You also have the option to mute or unmute your video down here in the bottom left-hand corner.